Hello guys, this is Nyambua Jen and this is Nyambua Jen Lifestyle channel. So guys, today is a new day. I hope you are good. Thank you for your support. Thank you for always watching my videos or my content. Yeah, so if you are a new, if you are new here, remember to subscribe. I mean, you won't regret. Yeah, and so today I'm on a road trip. Yeah, I'm doing a road trip. So join me. Let's be together on the 1 week ago, and I just want to go around, know the place. The place is new to me. I've never been here before, so this is my first time. And guess what? I want us to go around the place with you. So currently, I'm on this road. So if you know it, just go in the comment section. Tell me, do you know the place? Have you ever been here? Like, have you ever been in Odhaya? What was your experience? Is it your home? Actually, this place is full of, is it your coffee plantations? Yeah, these ones. There are plenty. Yeah, we will see them around. Guys, I will update you where I'm going. Yo, so my people, Odhaya is a good place. If you are looking for a place where you want to start life afresh, yeah, this is a good place. I mean, it's calm, cool, looking good, yeah, it's a good place. Yeah, so nimefika huku, I can see the house. Sijui kama ni poa kuonyeshana kwa picha. I don't know. I don't know. Guys, let's go. Following this route. Yeah, I've come from this road. Yeah. So my good people, don't forget to watch our previous videos. Yeah. This is the third episode of Nyambua Jane YouTube channel. Yeah, so don't forget to watch them. I mean, they're educative, entertaining, you know, just go watch them. Yeah, after this video, I mean, after watching this one, just ensure you go there and watch them. I can see there is a main road here. Yeah, natokea kwa barabara hiyo. I don't know which road is this, but I can tutajua tu. I mean, bado toka hora mambo ni most. Yeah, I can see naona hapa kuna sijui kama ni billboards. Yeah, we will have a look at them. Is yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. Yeah, tell me the kind of content you will want, whether it's about my traveling, whether it's about the, our lifestyle, anything. Just tell me your opinions. And as I told you earlier, this channel is for me, you, I mean, ours. So feel free. Yeah. So just tell us, where are we? Have you ever encountered this place? What are your views? What did you see? What's so good about the place? So tell me. So guys, this is where we are going to end today's video. Yeah, remember to subscribe, remember to recommend my channel or our channel to your friends. Yeah, so let's meet on our next video. This is Nyambua Jen Lifestyle channel. Yeah, goodbye.